Residential and office carpet cleaning. Expert services near you. In today's video, we're going to discuss the expert residential and office carpet cleaning services that are available near you. If you're looking to revitalize your carpets and create a clean and healthy environment, you've come to the right place. 1. Professional carpet cleaning. Whether you have carpets in your home or office, professional carpet cleaning services near you offer expert solutions. These trained professionals have the knowledge, experience, and advanced equipment to deep clean your carpets and remove embedded dirt, stains, and allergens. 2. Customized cleaning plans. The best part about hiring expert carpet cleaning services near you is that they offer customized cleaning plans. They understand that every carpet is unique and has different cleaning requirements. They will assess your carpet's condition and provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. 3. State-of-the-art equipment and techniques. Professional carpet cleaners near you utilize state-of-the-art equipment and advanced cleaning techniques to achieve exceptional results. From hot water extraction to steam cleaning, they employ the most effective methods to ensure a thorough and efficient cleaning process. 4. Time and convenience. Hiring professional carpet cleaning services near you saves you time and effort. They will handle all the cleaning tasks, allowing you to focus on other important matters. Additionally, they work around your schedule to ensure maximum convenience. 5. Health and hygiene. Regular carpet cleaning by experts near you not only enhances the appearance of your carpets but also improves the indoor air quality. They eliminate allergens, dust mites, bacteria, and other contaminants, creating a healthier and safer environment for you, your family, or your employees. Conclusion. Expert residential and office carpet cleaning services near you offer a range of benefits, including professional cleaning, customized plans, state-of-the-art equipment, time and convenience, and improved health and hygiene. If you're ready to give your carpets a fresh start, we highly recommend reaching out to these professionals.